guys, it's me, Yuri, and today we're gonna unbox Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. We're gonna do some quick tests on it, so let's go! Designed by Redmi. Okay, let's check what's in here. A pen. And the silicone case. Wow, it's so nice. And here's the phone. Yo, Redmi by Xiaomi. Oh la la, haha. Come on. Ooh la la, la 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 la, ooh la la. Okay, let's check what else in the box. USB Type-C cable, kind of white red, I don't know. And the big chungus 33-watt charging. That's kind of sad. Nice. Okay, now let's power it up. Okay, so Redmi. Okay, let me do the setups and let's continue. So I have set it up the phone, it works so perfectly. 120 Hz, the charging is so nice. Let's go to the camera test. So hello, so this is how the video is being recorded on the selfie camera. I think it's a bit pinky, I don't know. So yeah, the mic is also from the camera. Okay, so this is how the video is being recorded on Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. So it's your choice. What do you think about it? So just tell me in comments, what do you think about it? So this is the gameplay of Asphalt 9 Legends on Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro using its own built-in screen recorder. The mic is external because I have already showed the mic on the camera test. So look at the gameplay if you like it or not. But the frame rate is 25 frames per second because that's the point of the recorder. So sorry guys, but I hope the frame rate in the real game is gonna be better. The graphics are set to maximum, and I hope you enjoy the juicy gameplay. And bye! Okay guys, so this is your choice. If you want, you can buy it. If you don't want, you can just don't buy it. It's your choice. I showed you the tests, it's so nice. So if you want, you can buy it. If you don't want, don't buy it. So it's your choice. You can just look at the tests that I have made. You can watch other reviews. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!